Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to change the system cooling policy option in Windows 10 or Windows 11. The option's basically missing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video, guys. I want you to copy it and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. It should say the operation completed successfully. Basically, we're just adding this value to our power options. So you will need to close out of here and restart your computer for the change to take effect. So let's go ahead and proceed to do that. So now we go back into our power options here and go through the settings window. I'm going to go through the control panel for this tutorial. I'm going to go to large icons, power options, and then I'm going to select change plan settings, change advanced power settings, and then underneath the processor power management, I'm going to expand that, and there should be a system cooling policy available under here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.